Tired of that pesky cough? Of course you are. You've tried those other brand names, but nothing seems to work. See you later, fellas. Now there's new mayonnaise. Oh, that's right, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise has been proven by leading scientists to get rid of that cough. Just take 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and bye-bye cough. So you can get on with your day. Careful, don't eat too much mayonnaise.
How you feeling, honey?
Much better. Thanks, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise! Available in all stores now. Side effects include dizziness, nausea, pooping, blah, 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 blah.
You got any on soda?